welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my September Boxycharm unboxing. So I'm going to get right into it. The weight of my box is 1.14 pounds. And then I'm hoping for like a fall theme this month. I'm using like these lash tweezers to try to open my box. There we go. Okay, so the theme here is Glam vibes only, and the number of my box is 46. And then the first thing that I see here is from the brand Phase Zero. I've never heard of this. This is a blush and bronzer trio. Yeah, never heard of this brand before. So here is the packaging, and then let's see what's inside. Okay, so it's 2 blushes and a bronzer. I'm gonna keep it new for now. But seeing this pink blush makes me a little hesitant to keep it. I really hate this kind of pink blush. It's like that standard blush. Do you guys remember those little Maybelline blushes? Like from, I just remember my mom used to have those little Maybelline or CoverGirl blushes that were all just like this bright matte pink, like in the 90s. And that's just kind of the shade that it reminds me of. I actually love the other 2 colors, but I don't necessarily need to hang on to it. So I'm gonna hold off on swatching it for now and maybe see if I do wanna actually add it to my collection. And this retails for, $42. That's actually pretty pricey. And then, what is this? Some sheet masks. This is from the brand Glam in Paradise. So these are gold foil masks, like regular sheet masks infused with cannabis seed oil. I've gotten a bunch of CBD skincare lately. I have this serum from Kiehl's that I really like because I know it's supposed to help with redness and breakouts and stuff. So I haven't actually seen it in sheet masks. So let's see what the actual packaging, and this comes in a set of, okay, so it gave me, it's a set of 3, but it's 1 full-size mask, 1 lip mask, and 1 eye mask. Interesting. I feel like these are going to be pricey because they have CBD in them or something. Let's see. It is $18. Interesting. I haven't seen CBD sheet mask before. Ooh, I am very happy now. I'm going to get a palette that I know I'm going to swatch. Oh, this is a Spanglish palette from Alamar Cosmetics. It's a pressed pigment palette. Let me open this up. I don't even remember what this looks like, but I'm keeping it. I love this brand, and I love getting makeup that's in Spanish. It makes me really happy. Like, it's, obviously, I'm like thrilled right now. So this retails for $28. So it's actually pretty affordable. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm excited. I just love everything about this brand. I love the names here, like this shade, pero like, oh, so cute. Ay, que cute is un shade también. Let's see. Now I'm getting in Spanglish. Ponte hyper. That's like, reminds me of Atrévete, that Calle 13 song. Oh, muy excited. Me siento muy excited that, what's it called? That phrase from the Selena movie. Let me actually put these like on my hand. I'm getting a little like overwhelmed here. Oh, these are so pretty. And then there's like a little symbol that's like a teardrop next to some of the shades. I don't know what it means. Let me see if it says it on the back, but that is a very pretty palette. This is a really pretty fall palette. I am definitely gonna film maybe like a quick little reel for Instagram this week using this palette. And I love that it came this month because it is Latinx Heritage Month through September 15th to October 15th. Okay, so there's a little note of best used dry and best used wet on these. So all the shimmers up here are best used wet, and then the mattes you use dry, obviously. I love this so much. I just love this brand. I think it's so fun. I love it so much. Like, it makes me very happy to see like all the Spanish names. And these are the shades. They make me very happy. I'm definitely gonna wear this palette. Like, I knew I wanted to keep this palette before I even saw the shades, because I remember seeing maybe it on Trendmood, but I just made a note of it and I forgot about it, but I didn't remember what the actual palette shades were. But I'll definitely be wearing this. I actually love the combination of orange and purple, like a really warm crease with purple on your lid is like one of my favorite colorful combinations. So I'm so happy about this palette. I love that the name is Spanglish. I speak Spanglish like in my head 24/7. The next thing we have is from Laura Geller, and this is the Lash Boss Bowl volumizing mascara with a volumizing brush, and this retails for $24. Let's see the wand on this one. Standard, whatever. That's my initial reaction, uncensored. It's called Vava Volume. I don't think it's a really groundbreaking mascara. I'll try it out for sure. I'm definitely gonna try it out. I always try out the mascaras I get in my Boxycharm. It's always hit or miss with the mascaras I get in my subscription boxes. I'm pretty picky with volumizing mascaras because some of them end up clumpy, but we'll try that one out. And then lastly, oh, this is from Pharmacy. This is, oh, awesome. This is the Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. I definitely feel like I need a new eye cream. I don't even know if I have an eye cream that I'm using right now. I'm sure I have one open, but there's nothing, like I've honestly just been putting moisturizer on my whole face. So I am excited for this because I love, my favorite eye cream is the Ole Henriksen, the Banana Bright one. And I feel like this is gonna give me that same excitement. So it doesn't necessarily smell like cherries. It is like a little pink. Let's see what it says, because what does cherries do for your eyes? I have no idea. I guess it's just like the vitamin C that is in cherries that is in this eye cream. I'm definitely gonna start using this every day. I'm really excited about this. This makes it a really good box. Like these two products sold, like love it. And this retails, I feel like it's expensive. Yeah, it retails for $45. So such a good box. Like I don't love these sheet masks. I feel like it's a filler product, but I've never tried a CBD sheet mask. So it's a little bit different than just like the ones that I get all the time from like some random brand. The mascara is fine. I'll use that as well, but like the Pharmacy product, I love this skincare brand. Usually we get a lot of products from like Dr. Brandt. I feel like we just get Dr. Brandt products like every single month. So I'm excited to actually get something from a different brand that I actually really want to try more from Pharmacy in general too. And I'm definitely going to use this eye cream because I'm kind of sick of just getting like cleansers and stuff. Like I'm excited to actually use a new eye cream because I actually need one in my collection, and this just makes me so happy. So let's see the value. I feel like everything's gonna be a high value with like all the skincare products. The value of everything is $157. $157, so it's pretty standard. I didn't get anything that, like sometimes I'll get a random skincare product that's like $150 value that basically makes a whole value of the box, but I feel like everything that I got is like all high-end, not super extremely high-end, but like all high-end and all valuable at different price points. So I think it's a good value box overall for sure. A lot of good balance between like all the two skincare products, face makeup, mascara, eyeshadow. Like there's a good mix of stuff. Sometimes I've been getting like just like a loofah or something random that's just kind of filler products, but I'm excited to get a balance between makeup and skincare. So yeah, I am very happy with my box this month, especially the eye cream and the eyeshadow palette, because I'm sure I would have ended up purchasing this separately anyways, and it's worth more than the value of the whole box. So that's gonna be everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you're interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll leave my affiliate link down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.